Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to export all of your Google Drive files at one time into your computer rather than having to go, download them individually. It's a pretty simple process. You could use this process for other things too, such as Gmail and uh, Google Sites and so on. So we're going to go to the Google Takeout website. And then sign in with the same user as you have for Drive, obviously. And if you have other exports, like I did an export for Google's Photos, you could see that there and manage that. All right, so what you want to do is, first thing is make sure you do deselect all because they have them all selected. And then you would find Google Drive, and it'll kind of show you some of the other stuff you can export with this tool right there. And here's the settings, all drive and data included, all the folders, some advanced settings, multiple formats. Okay, so once you have it selected, just go down to the bottom. Next step. Now you could do a single export or export every 2 months and so on. And the zip type or compression type zip or TGZ tar file. So Windows, if I just want to use a zip file. And then the file size, I just like to keep it 2 GB chunks. So I don't run into any problems. So I'm going to stick with these defaults. I'm going to do it one time. I'm going to click on Create Export. So now it's creating a copy. It can take a long time, possibly hours or days, to receive an email when its export is done. So you just kind of let this run, and then you could go to your email and check for the notification to download. And I also think when it's done here too, it'll kind of change and let you download from here as well. So we'll pause the video and come back when it's done, because I'm not sure how long it should take, but this is not a big test account here, so it doesn't have too much stuff in it. Okay, so we're back, and the process did not take long at all. So I got the email here from Google Takeout. And let's see what this site says here too. If I refresh. So there's my latest export right there from today. And I could actually download it from here, or I could click on the same thing here, download your files. Just want to put in your password, make sure it's you first. Okay, so there's my Google Drive, and it's automatically downloading. I didn't even have to click on download. And there's my old one for Google Photos. So now I could open the zip file. There's my Takeout folder. There's Drive. And there's all my files there. So it's a pretty quick way just to download everything from your Google Drive account. Let's say you wanted to back it up or dump it somewhere else without having to go in there and do it individually. So once again, takeout.google.com. Find the Google Drive, make sure you uncheck all the other stuff, create your export, check your email when it's done, and then just download it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.